Last time on
Sandals St. Vincent.
I think we have some time to go in the water. Oh, wait. There's shells. Not a lot. Like 3. All right, so you are under there. You've seen it. I'm pretty sure this is volcanic rock. You've seen it. It's pretty clear. I mean, there's a couple here. Oh, look, there's a dog. Ooh. What? Where's the mango? Where's the mango? So who here is from St. Vincent?
All of us.
What? Where's the mango? Where's the mango?
Many?
Yeah, everybody keeps saying there's mangoes everywhere on the island. How come we're not using mango?
They're on the trees.
Oh, they're on the tree.
Still green. What happened actually, the mango season just starts.
Okay. So you wait till they drop?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes people try to make sure and pick them like, we call it a pickle, with a stick attached to like something like a rim with a bag, and they
pull
on one end.
Okay. So when is the season? Do you know?
Well, the season just started.
It just started. Okay. And when does it end?
Well, to be honest with you, different types of mango has different seasons.
Oh yeah?
But it's seasonal around the year. But sometimes, let's say for example, you get mangoes like let's say now, maybe like up to August, then mangoes start to just taste, then you start to see mango again.
So you could get it year round?
I would not say definitely whole year round. You have time to go like space.
Like December,
then,
January? Okay.
Yeah.
When it's cold? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. Very good.
Then you see mangoes start to come again.
Thank you, John. I appreciate it.
Very welcome, sir.
Alright. Moment of truth, John. Let's see. Oh. Yes, John. Yes. Because I asked, I said, just a little bit of rum. When do you work? That's true. You what?
From here, I'm going to Parasol.
Okay. But are you at bar?
Yes.
Alright, so I'm going to look for you.
Pleasure to have you all with us today. All right, so we're just
talking on a television so big you have speakers if you're into music
And books.
if you're into TV shows, Game of Thrones.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you the truth.
What TV show do you like, sir?
I'm in the TV show of the PS5. We're paying for a butler, beachfront.
Imagine bringing your PS5 and you just sit
No,
there
no,
and
you need
enjoy.
imagine bringing.
Yes,
Yeah, look at the can just come here and have your time. Your wife wants to be in the pool, man. She wants to be in the tranquility
I've
zone,
been in
man.
the
Did you know that you can actually use the spa and not get a treatment? You can use the pool, and that's a little jet right there. Look at this. Watch the jets. Look at this. And you can use this as a massage thing. Look. Interested in going on vacation that feels as though you have in fact gotten away. I'm just here and I can forget that I am, you know, a citizen of the world. I'm just a person on a beach. I like that. I'm gonna chase that feeling. Can I ask you a question? Could you give me one of those cool napkins again? Feel that. Look at that. Oh my, I have the vapors. See, there's no music there. It's actually down that way at the beach, but it reflects off of the mountain, or reverberates. Right? There's no performance up there, and I don't think there's speakers in the mountain. that feels as though you have, in fact, gotten away. This is a beautiful, beautiful place to come to.